What's up, guys? I just wanted to add this to my written tutorial. Is how I did the armor. Now, when painting Nurgle armor, there's a couple things you want to keep in mind, like how dirty you want to make it, how clean you want to leave it, and most important of all, what shade of green, if any, are you going to use. Now, for my tutorial, I used a base coat of Caliban green, and on top of that, I put on. So what was it? It was base paint, Castellan green, and this was all done using Games Workshop large base brush. On top of Castellan green, we used some Elysian green, and the reason we did these three base coats is because Elysian green is a very subtle and transparent paint, and if you slap it on the black undercoat or even Castellan green, you're gonna need much more coats. That means there's a higher chance of you actually clogging up detail. Now, this is a great base paint if you're doing Elysian green. And after that, we did a wash of Agrax Surshade, the whole miniature, everything. The armor was washed fully with Agrax Surshade. Now, you might have noticed we did not re-highlight the armor after that. It is to leave it a bit dirty, and it will look dirty. But after that, we use a magical color called Ogren Camo. Here it is, Ogren Camo. So I highly recommend using this step because otherwise this tutorial is kind of pointless. It is heavily concentrated on extreme highlights, and when you do extreme highlights, you kinda neaten everything up. It doesn't look as dirty, it doesn't look as clean, it looks neat. That is exactly what we want to do. Now you might see these scratches. These were not on the miniature, I painted them myself. It's very easy to do. I used Rhinox hide. You basically draw a line, after which you highlight perpendicularly the bottom edge of your scratch. This creates an illusion that the scratch is kind of 3D and the light bounces off the bottom part as it would in real life. Basically, you see here it is kind of giving you an illusion that happened. These aren't really good scratches. They're okay. They look real from a distance. You can see here on the knee, and especially this one. Then you notice all of these dots here. They were done using Scrag Brown. I'm sorry. Basically, what you do is you use 1 part Scrag Brown and 3 parts water. Make them really dilute, and you just put them in all of those pustules and holes. A little trick you can do is to actually simulate it leaking, like here on the mask. What you do is, while it's still in the hole and wet, just draw your brush slightly down. It makes a real effect that it's actually like leaking. For the chainmail, it's still not done. I'm still working on it. Basically, what I did was we did a base coat of lead belcher followed by a wash of Agrax Surshade, and on the very bottom I used Typhus Corrosion. There it is. You can leave it there if you want, but I will dry brush it with Rise of Rust to kind of give it a rust effect. And there you go. That's pretty much how you can paint any Nurgle armor you want. Chaos Space Marines, Chaos Warriors, Vikings, anything. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you.